Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want to guide you on how to fix some of the issues you might be facing while using your mouse on your device. There are so many issues that might comes along with your device mouse, most especially if you use an external mouse, either wired or wireless mouse. By default, once you plug your mouse to your computer, it's going to reconfigure itself successfully and start working. And sometimes misconfiguration might affect it, and sometimes it might be drivers on your side. So that is why you need to watch this video to the end, and the process is very simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is to check if the drivers on your PC is installed successfully. Come to this place, right click on the start on window icon, click on device manager. Now it comes out like this. Come to mice and other pointing devices, expand it. Now here you have two drivers here. So if any of this driver is not working or is out of date, then you might have issue with your mouse not working on your system. So click on it, then right click on it, click on update drivers, click on search automatic for drivers, and the best driver for your device is already installed. Close this place. Repeat the same process for this one. Update drivers, search for these automatic drivers, then if it brings out this, then close this one and see if it fixes the issue. And if it does not fix the issue, then continue. Come to this place again. Here click on this button to uninstall this driver. Let's uninstall it. Once you uninstall the driver, it comes out like this. It's not working. Now come back to this place. Come back to this place, click on this action button, click on ask for hardware change, wait for it to load it again. So if the driver is uninstalled, it's good to reinstall it again and fix the issue on the driver. You can see it has started working again once you move your mouse around. So this should be able to fix this issue. And once you've tried this and the issue is not fixed, maybe speed of your pointer is very slow, and that might be the reason your mouse is not working. And to fix that is very simple. Come to this place, search for control panel. Now click on it to open control panel. Once you've opened it, come to this place where you see large icon. If large view by large icon, if you only some category, make sure you select large icon, then click on mouse. Once you click on mouse, this window pop up for you. Go to pointer option, then take a look at this place. If your pointer option is here, then you might not be able to use it. It might be like this. You can see it's not moving at all. Then try as much as you can to drag it to this place, then until it comes to around this place. Let's use it here. Then click on apply, then be able to see the mouse moving, then click on OK. So with this simple step, guys, you should be able to fix mouse pointer not working or too slow on your Windows PC. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.